Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Gemini. First, ensure you are signed into your Google account, as Gemini integrates directly with it. Next, you'll be prompted to review and accept the terms of service and privacy policy. Take a moment to read these important documents. Once accepted, you'll gain access to the Gemini interface, ready to explore its powerful capabilities. It's a straightforward process designed for quick access. Now that you're in, let's get started. To begin, simply type your first prompt into the chat box. You can ask questions, request summaries, or even brainstorm ideas. Gemini supports both text and voice input for your convenience. After receiving a response, take a moment to review it. You can always refine your prompts to get more precise or creative answers, making your interactions more effective. To make Gemini truly yours, explore the customization options. You can adjust settings to personalize your interactions, such as choosing response styles or managing your data. It's important to review your activity and privacy controls to ensure your preferences are met. Additionally, discover and enable various extensions that can connect Gemini with other Google services, significantly enhancing its functionality and utility for your daily tasks. To truly maximize Gemini's potential, don't shy away from complex multi-turn prompts. The more context you provide, the better its responses will be. Remember to give specific feedback on its answers. This helps Gemini learn and improve over time, making future interactions even more helpful. Also, for a smarter home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this and other great deals in the description below. It's all about making your life easier.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.